Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a turn report for Roy in Tennessee on this President Richard. Roy got you ready to go with our tune and alignment. We've also packed up your skip shooter, your coax, your mirror mount, and your unit in Bearcat 20-watt external speaker. Let's get right to it, Roy. 50-watt slug arc power all the way down. Got you at 2 watts, that way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 12 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Doing about 30 bird average. 100 watt slug and peak. At 52 peak. Alright, man, this thing's ready to rock and roll for you. Hard to beat a little President Richard. Even got a little port there if you want to charge your phone. Alright, there you go, my friend. Thank you, Roy. Bump bump from truckcbsales.com.